What is going on, everybody? Before I get into the video, just want to say we got the 2020 perfectly running. Everything is in order. She's ready to rock and roll. I did the full rebuild, everything back together, the break-in, it's good. Everything's good, temp's been good, everything's been good. Anyways, right there's my Honda Shadow 750. It's 2001. This isn't a review because it's not good enough outside to do a review. This is just a short video doing a cold start on it. We'll cold start it and see how it runs when it's cold. There's you guys a nice little look from the side right here. I don't know what all is done to it. I just bought it as is for 1,500 bucks. I assume that intake's not stock. I assume the exhaust is not stock. It's that Cobra exhaust. Sounds really good for a Honda. Let's do a startup on it. Cold start. It's been sitting for probably 4 or 5, or about 3 or 4 days. It's about 30 degrees outside right now, 32. Right at about, just on the verge of snowing, but it's not snowing. So let's go ahead and do a cold start. Brand new battery, fellers. I'm a firm believer the battery was junk when I got it, just because I had to put. I'm a firm believer the battery was junk when I got it, because the battery was supposed to be good to go, but it was dead in the first minute. So let me get the seat off and we'll jump her off. Well, now we got it on the jumper. Give her a second to sit there. Jeez. Ow. Jeez. It's a little chilly. She doesn't like the cold. Junk battery. Front choke. Jeez. Cold natured. She's cold natured. Jesus. Couple I've had some juice. Crank up. start of it. Sounds pretty good for a Honda. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it was a hard start, dead battery. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for more. Let her go with Plug Cycle.
Some bitch you gotta That's how you tell your glow plugs get hot. Little
That is a pretty beefy little lawnmower.
Come on, bleach, get hot.